What's up, guys? So today we're going to be replacing the air idle control valve on the XJ. Once it's warm, it idles pretty decent, but on startup it idles at like 2,000, 2,500 RPM.
So the Cherokee does do this when it's really cold out. It idles super high. She'll come down. Give her a little bit. There she is.
And I've cleaned this out already, and I had an issue where then it was idling at like 100. So I'm thinking it's the air idle control valve. So just went and bought a replacement one to see if that'll kind of change it. So if you guys need to know how to change this out, this is going to be the video for you. And then we're going to be doing something else on the inside of the Cherokee. So first all we're going to do is just going to pop this little connector out. And then once we're done with that, then we can just take a T20 Torx and go ahead and undo this guy here. That. There's two of them. Last fit by hand. It's in a tight spot, not the greatest. Yeah, it's a brisk 11 degrees out today, so if you hear me breathing, that's why. So I'm kind of curious if anyone else has a renix Jeep, when it's really cold out, does it idle, at that RPM, 2,000, 2,500 RPM for a good, I don't know, probably 30 seconds to a minute, and then it just chills out. But so there we go. There's the old one. Looks fine. Definitely have some. Looks like, I don't know what that is. Like, I think it's oil. I guess we will. I should also probably zip tie that, eh? The clip's broke on the actual connector, so I should probably zip tie that, but we'll give her a whirl and see how she does. Well, that fixed it. That's nice. So it did the initial, higher revving like a normal car would do, and then came right back down. So there you go. I think I'm going to zip tie that connector a little bit so it's at least somewhat in there, but yeah, that's much better. Yeah, that's a cold start, 11 degree cold start. It's been a couple days too, so. Nice. Well, I'm really happy about that. I didn't have high hopes for that, so. As you can see, sadly, winter has claimed its first victim with the plastic on the Cherokee. So, this little guy goes in there and then it rides up. So I am no longer gonna have an ashtray, and then the dash is cracked here, so I don't know if that had something to do with it too. But we're just gonna do a little bit of double-sided. I'm gonna do some Velcro on the back of this just to keep this guy in place. I never use the ashtray anyway, so It is what it is. I even got some gray Velcro, you know, to really match up with the theme of the Cherokee. So I think I'm gonna go. Sit. All right. Put that in the corner there. There we go. Alrighty. Guess let's give it a whirl. That's good enough for me. So at least it stayed in put. So, alrighty. That was easy enough. I never even had this open. Never would use it for anything anyway, but yeah. Now it's all fixed. Alrighty guys. So that's gonna do it for this video. So if you had the high idle fix only on cold start, like when it was like below 50 degrees is when I was having my issue where it would just idle at like 2,000 RPM for 30 seconds to a minute, and then it would come down to normal. And I cleaned out the air idle area, and it was a little oily, but cleaned it out, and then it idled at like 500, and then I cleaned it out again, and that seemed to at least help it idle a little bit more normal. And then I don't know, just maybe the actual device was bad itself, because now plug this new one in, and we're idling at on startup it went up to like 2,000 RPM, 1,500 RPM because it was cold, and then it came right down to like 1,000, then down to like 900, and then down to 500. So but yeah, and then we velcroed the little ashtray back into place. But anyway guys, hopefully you guys found this video informative. If it did, definitely give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a ton. And we'll catch you guys in the next video.